water resources and its problems. The water cycle through evaporation and precipitation maintains hydrological systems which from rivers and lakes and support in a variety of aquatic ecosystems. Wetlands are intermediate forms between terrestrial acoustic ecosystem and contain species of plants and animals that are highly moisture dependent. All acoustic ecosystems are used by a large number of people for their daily needs such as drinking water, washing, cooking, watering animals, and irrigating fields, etc. Look at this picture. Clearly indicated that water cycle overutilization and population of surface and groundwater. With the growth of human population, there is an increasing need for larger amounts of water to fulfill a variety of basic needs. Today, in many areas, this requirement cannot be met. Overutilization of water occurs at various levels. Most people use more water than they really need. Global climate change. Changes in climate at a global level caused by increasing air pollution have now begun to affect our climate. In some regions, global warming and the El Niño winds have created unpredicted storms. In other areas, they lead to long droughts. Floods. Floods have been a series of environmental hazards for centuries. However, the havoc raised by rivers overflowing their banks has become progressively more damaging as people have deforested catchments and intensified use of river flood plains that once acted as safety valves. Drought. In most arid regions of the world, the rains are unpredictable. This leads to periods when there is a serious scarcity of water to drink use in farms or provide for urban and industrial use. Drought prone areas are thus faced with a regular period of famine. Agriculture have no income in these bad years, and as they have no steady income, they have a consistent fear of droughts. Water for agriculture and power generation. India's increasing demand for water for intensive irrigated agriculture, for generating electricity, and for consumption in urban and industrial centers has been met by increasing large dams. Save water campaigns are essential to make people everywhere aware of the dangers of water scarcity. A number of measures need to be taken for the better management of the world's water resources. These include measures such as sustainable water management, look at this picture. Building several small reservoirs instead of few mega projects. Develop small catchment dams and protect waterlands. Soil management, micro catchment development, and afforestation permits recharging of underground aquifers, thus reducing the need for large dams. Treating and recycling municipal waste water for agricultural use. Preventing leakages from dams and canals, preventing loss in municipal pipes. Effective rainwater harvesting in urban environments. Water conservation measures in agriculture, such as using drip irrigation, pricing water at its real value makes people use it more responsibly and efficiently and reduces water wasting. In deforested areas where land has been degraded, soil management by bunding along the hill slopes and making nala plugs can help retain moisture and make it possible to revegetate degraded areas. Dams. Today there are more than 45,000 large dams around the world, which play an important role in communities and economy that harness these water resources for their economic development. Look at this dams. Current estimates suggest some 30 to 40 percentage of irrigated land worldwide relies on dams. Hydropower, another contender for the use of stored water, currently supplies 19% of the world total electric power supply and is used in over 150 countries. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.